So again, sternal iliac artery, going further down, femoral artery. You have your profunda femoral artery. You have learned that natay mga branch going medial, so medial circumflex, going lateral, lateral circumflex. Canal. Ayan. Okay, other arteries here found behind the leg, so posterior tibial artery. Then here found anterior to the leg, so you have your anterior pedis. Then podosal lata, you have your lateral tarsal. Then arc there, so you have your arcuate artery. From there, you now have your mga dorsal metatarsal artery. First, second, third, fourth. Now, once it reaches on the toes mo, bifurcate gani, so you have your dorsal digit. Siya. Then this one are your dorsal digital arteries. Then here you have your posterior tibial arteries, veins. Posterior tibial vein, as you mentioned, pair na siya, but you just have to name them as veins. Then from there, going up, hindi na makita ng popliteal vein. So makita na ng vein, you have your femoral vein here. And then further going up, you have external iliac vein. So this one is your great saphenous vein. Okay, so on the medial side of the foot, you have your great saphenous vein there. You have the saphenous opening. Ang small saphenous vein, nasa lateral, di makita dito. This model. Okay, let's take.